The best strategy in the world won't help your company achieve its goals for improving quality, cost, and delivery time without every employee in the business doing their part to make it happen. To work toward a goal, your employees need to understand that goal and the reason for pursuing it, as well as the specific actions they need to take every day to get there. But bringing that about can be next to impossible. Day-to-day customer demands, the challenges of today's economy, and ordinary problems that crop up and drain our time can prevent us from devoting the time needed to bring our organizational goals into reality. And that's where GBMP's policy deployment video comes into play. This 26-minute video will show you and your staff how to turn goals into real accomplishments. It begins with an introduction to the X Matrix, the tool of choice for implementing policy deployment. The different parts of the X Matrix are defined, and then you and your workforce watch as a humorous business called AnyOrg Incorporated goes through the matrix piece by piece, setting up and implementing their own policy deployment.
You all have seen my 3-year goals. Now we need to decide on a short list of improvements that will move us in the direction of achieving these goals.
Our lean projects and operations will cut setup times as well as lead times to customers as our equipment becomes more available.
And the quality department can take the lead to set up problem-solving teams in every department to address the customer returns as well as the internal scrap.
Their strategy is articulated, goals are set, they're rolled down into short-term projects or improvement priorities and linked through teams and team leaders to measures and targets that will track the company's progress toward those goals.
If we expect to double sales from $8 million to $16 million in 3 years, I plan on a $1 million target for the first year, $2.5 million in the second year, and let's say $4.5 million in the third year. This year, being the year we open the new channels, we can only plan on $1 million target, which will include $400,000 from new distributors and $600,000 from accounts we can target and probably win this coming year.
The teams are addressed, first by the top manager and then by team managers. Then, individual projects are tracked visually through the creation of an A3 wall.
I see from your monthly update column on the X Matrix that your project is ahead of schedule. Great job. Keep it up.
Along the way, GBMP President and Shingo Prize recipient Bruce Hamilton provides insightful commentary and challenges the viewer to stop the video at crucial points to discuss key concepts and to begin work on their own policy deployment plan.
Now stop the DVD for 10 minutes and see if you can come up with a short list of improvement priorities for your company. 1-year projects to support your strategic goals.
The DVD also contains bonus DVD-ROM content in the form of AnyOrg Inc.'s X Matrix and a sample blank X Matrix to print out and use to follow along with the video in both PDF and Excel formats. Each of your employees can use this matrix to fill in as your team watches and learns from the policy deployment video. This is true hands-on learning in the GBMP everybody, everyday way.
Alignment is a powerful concept. As Ryuji Fukuda said, you're the managers. It's your job.
So why not take your company-wide goals out of the pipe dream stages today and get everyone in your organization on board and rowing in the same direction?